How to turn off targeted ads in the Google Play Store on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off targeted ads in the Google Play Store on your Android device. So if you are looking to regain some privacy and reduce the personalization of ad, this step-by-step guide is for you. So without further ado, let's get started. So start by launching the Google Play Store app on your Android phone, and this will bring you up the Play Store home screen. Now simply tap on a profile icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And from the pop-up menu, simply tap on the option labeled Personalization in Play. And this will take you to a screen that displays options related to how your data is used. Now, from there, simply scroll down to the section labeled Data Saved by Play and tap on Saving to Web and Wave Activity. And this will open the Web and App Activity screen. Now, on the Web and App Activity screen, tap on the controls. And in this section, you can simply tap on the drop-down menu at the top. And from there, select Turn Off and Delete Activity. And a prompt will appear explaining that disabling these features will apply to all your Google services. Simply tap on Next to proceed. And then you will be asked to choose which activities or data you want to delete. Simply select the Google services that you want to delete activity for and then tap Next. And the next screen will summarize your data you have chosen to delete. Finally, tap Delete and a confirmation message will appear letting you know that your Wave and App Activity history has been successfully deleted. With this feature turned off, Google will no longer use your data to serve you as targeted ads in the Google Play Store. And that's it. Now you have successfully turned off targeted ads in the Google Play Store. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.